0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 34. Discussion with taxi driver.
A man wants to go somewhere by taxi. He just calls a taxi. The taxi man comes and the discussion goes as follows.
Hello, taxi.
Yes, sir. Where do you have to go?
I have to go to this address. Can you take me to this address?
Sure, sir. I know this address.
Okay, good. How many kilometers is this address away from here?
It is nearly 5 kilometers away from here.
Okay, how much will be the fare?
Not much, just 200 INR.
It's too much.
No, sir. Actually, the road is very bad, and a lot of drivers do not go to this address.
Maybe, but can you go at 120 INR?
120 rupees. It is okay. We will go at 130 INR, and it is last.
Okay, let us go.
Okay. Oh, my bad. I am confused about this address. Do you know the way correctly?
No problem. I know this way. You can also use Google Maps.
No, Google Maps will not be very good.
Okay, go straight. Now turn to the right. No, go straight, and I will tell you when to turn.
Okay, sir.
Stop. Stop. Here's the place.
Yes, we reached.
Should I pay you online or in cash?
Anything will do, but cash will be better.
Okay, here is the fare in cash.
Thank you, sir.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.